Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, US Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. Citizenship requirements to change for millions of Americans under new bill. Republican Senator Bernie Moreno of Ohio has introduced legislation aimed at ending dual citizenship for Americans. The proposal, called Exclusive Citizenship Act of 2025, specifies that U.S. citizens shall owe sole and exclusive allegiance to the United States, according to the text of the bill. Implications of the proposed law. If enacted, the law would make it impossible for Americans to hold citizenship in another country while maintaining U.S. citizenship. However, the exact number of Americans who could be affected is uncertain. U.S. law does not require individuals to declare dual citizenship, and there is no government registry tracking it. Experts estimate the total number of dual citizens in the U.S. could range from 500,000 to 5.7 million, while Forbes report suggested that around 40% of Americans could potentially qualify for dual citizenship. Eligibility does not necessarily mean that they hold dual citizenship, but the figures illustrate the law's potential reach. Purpose of the bill. The bill's text emphasizes that to preserve the integrity of national citizenship, allegiance to the United States must be undivided. It argues that retaining foreign citizenship as a U.S. citizen could create conflict of interest and divided loyalties. The legislation would explicitly prohibit dual or multiple citizenship, stating, "An individual may not be a citizen or national of the United States while simultaneously possessing any foreign citizenship." Citizens currently holding foreign citizenship would have 1 year to either renounce their foreign citizenship with the Secretary of State or renounce their U.S. citizenship with the Secretary of Homeland Security. Failure to comply within that time frame would result in the individual being deemed to have voluntarily relinquished U.S. citizenship. Furthermore, any U.S. citizen who acquires foreign citizenship after the law's enactment would automatically be considered to have relinquished their U.S. citizenship. The Secretary of State would also be responsible for establishing regulations and procedures for declaration, verification, and record-keeping, and would coordinate with the Attorney General and Secretary of Homeland Security to ensure proper federal records and immigration treatment. Possible high-profile impact. Moreno, elected to the Senate in 2024 with an endorsement from President Donald Trump, was born in Colombia and has renounced his Colombian citizenship. His proposed law could potentially affect prominent individuals, including First Lady Melania Trump and her son Barron Trump, both of whom hold dual U.S. and Slovenian citizenship, according to Mary Jordan's 2024 book, The Are Her Deal. Senator Moreno's statement. Moreno emphasized the significance of exclusive allegiance in the statement. "One of the greatest honors of my life was when I became an American citizen at 18. It was an honor to pledge an oath of allegiance to the United States of America, and only to the United States of America. Being an American citizen is an honor and a privilege, and if you want to be an American, it's all or nothing. It's time to end dual citizenship for good." Next steps and legal considerations. Support for Moreno's bill remains uncertain, and even if passed, it may face legal challenges. The U.S. Supreme Court has recognized dual citizenship as a legal status that cannot be lost unless a citizen willingly surrenders it. This precedent could complicate the bill's implementation and trigger judicial review if enacted. That is all for today in this video. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care.